Want to use ChatGPT Business completely for free and unlock all the premium features? No credit card or payment method required. Today, I'll show you a secret, 100% working method to set it up in just a few minutes. If you follow my steps carefully, you will get full access right away. So let's see step by step. First, go to oxham.com. Next, open a new tab, visit any temporary email website and copy an email address. Now, switch back to Oxam. Start by entering a name and then paste the temporary email you just copied. Open another new tab, go to any temporary phone number website and copy a number. Head back to Oxam once more and paste the copied number into the number field. Finally, enter a password and click on the Create Free Account button. Once the account is created, you will be redirected to the Oxam dashboard. That completes our Oxam account creation. Now, let me show you how to create a ChatGPT business account. From the Oxam dashboard, click on Active CG AI Service. Now, click on the ChatGPT official website link. Then, click the Login button. After that, go back to Oxam and copy the email address. Paste the email into the ChatGPT email address field. Return to Oxam again, copy the password and paste it into the password field. And finally, click the Continue button. If you face any issues logging in with the email and password, or if it asks for a verification code, simply click on this link below in Oxam. Get the code from there and use it to log in. However, if you're still having trouble, install this cookie editor extension in your browser. Then, click the Copy Cookies JSON button below to copy the data. Next, go back to the ChatGPT tab and open the cookie editor extension. Paste the copied cookies, click the Import button to save them, and refresh your browser once. After that, you will see that you are successfully logged into the ChatGPT business account. And that's it. You have successfully set up your ChatGPT business account. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. If this video solved your problem, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. One important note: since this is a shared account, please do not upload any personal images or sensitive files here, as it could be risky for your privacy. If you really need to work with personal files, make sure to open a temporary chat first.